welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I'm a flight attendant with a major US airline who is currently furloughed. Link down below for my merch. But anyways, in today's video, I am excited. I'm gonna be sharing 3 big announcements, like big announcements. Now, we're gonna start more on the smaller end, something that you've already kind of known was in the works, and we're gonna work our way up to something that y'all actually have no idea about that I think is going to excite and surprise a lot of you. So starting with announcement number 1, my lipsticks are finally out. I have officially launched my lipsticks as soon as this video is live. So I'm going to be launching 6 shades, one of which is the one that I'm actually wearing right now. I'm super excited because I feel like I chose shades that look good on a broad range of skin tones. Everybody knows that my skin is paper pastel, ghostly white, but I wanted to make sure that everybody felt included, so I tried to choose a broad range of colors that I think a lot of people are going to like. So I'm going to show you them. We're going to talk about them very, very quickly, and I will move on to the next thing in case y'all aren't interested in makeup. But if you are, they are a matte finish long wear lipstick. When I say long wear, I mean long wear. I have actually given them out to a lot of my friends and had them try them out and give me their opinions and test them and whatever. And that's like the #1 thing that all of them tell me is that they are long wear. Even with the mask on, they are long wear. But because they are matte, you do need to moisturize your lips before and after using the lipsticks. So before you put it on, make sure to use like a sugar scrub or something. That's what I do. And then I put them on. And then when you take them off, make sure that you put like a chapstick or something to moisturize your lips to keep that moisture, because matte lipsticks can be drying. Now, of course, you can throw any kind of gloss or anything over them. But anyways, that's what they're gonna be, and they are long, long, long wear, because as a flight attendant, I'm not trying to be applying lipstick 10 million times in the day. It's not gonna happen. So the packaging is also going to match all of the stuff that I already have going on in my Cat Eye Cosmetics collection, which you are very much going to see. So to start us off of these 6 shades, this is going to be my first one. Now the tubing is custom. I made it. You shouldn't be able to find it anywhere else. I completely designed the leopard on top with my logo. So this is the shade Purr, and it is a great everyday kind of color. It is a nude. You're gonna see it has more of a tan color than the next color I'm about to show you, but this is all around a great, great color. So moving on to the next one. So this is called Got Your Tongue. It's actually the shade that I'm wearing right now. This is my grab and go. Like, this is my go-to color. I love it because it's a bit more blush, whereas you're gonna see here, like this one is a bit more nude. I will even turn them around. So this was Purr, and this is Got Your Tongue. So you can see this is a bit more tan and this is a bit more blush. Moving on to the next color, and I love this name. So this one is called Sourpuss, and she is such a fun, funky color. It's like that medium style pink. And in comparison, this has Got Your Tongue and this is Sourpuss. So you can kind of see the difference in color, but I think this is just such a pretty, fun pink color. So those are our first 3 shades. 4th color, and this is my favorite color because I just love a good red lipstick. So this shade is called Cat's Meow, and it is a true red. Y'all have actually seen me wear these in some of my videos, and y'all have asked me about them, and I'm like, they're coming soon. But obviously things take a long time to be in production, but this is the true red, and this is my absolute favorite because I just love a red lip. I think everybody, whether they think it or not, can pull off a red lip. I really, really do. It's just so beautiful. It's striking. Okay, now moving on to my 5th shade, and this is actually such a pretty berry color. It is called 9 Lives. And I love this shade. It is such a nice berry color. It has such a pretty finish. I actually wore this to an event and got so many compliments on it. And also, if you can't tell, they are very travel friendly. They're petite, so they're easy to grab and go, and I wanted them to be very, very durable, so they are great to travel with as well, so you can just throw them in with your liquids bag whenever you are traveling. My final and fabulous shade, this is actually a very, very, very pretty wine plum color. I'll show you the difference between the berry and the plum. Now I will say it looks a teeny bit darker in the bottle than it does on, which is why I'm showing you like videos of what they look like on. But this is actually called Curiosity Kills, and I know she shows up really dark in the bottle, and I will be honest, it shows up a bit lighter when you actually put it on the lips. So this is her, and she is so pretty. I feel like these, I really feel like these are just like the funnest like fall winter shades. I just love them. Like they're the most like seasonal shades to me is these last three. But as you can see here, so you'll see that this is more of a berry, whereas this is more of a plum shade. So those are my 6 shades. I hope y'all love them. I know y'all have been asking time and time and time again about my lipsticks, and I do wear my own lipstick. So if you are looking for a great matte lipstick, please head down to Cat Eye Cosmetics and check them out. I tried to make them as affordable as possible because I know that we are all going through it right now. So I wanted to give you an affordable option that I thought was a very good price. But also, y'all know I keep it honest. Even when it's not in my favor, I keep it honest. So let me go ahead and keep it honest here. I'm gonna show you the packaging of the actual lipstick in the boxes and how they match the collection. So when you get your lipstick, it is going to show up in a box like this, and I love it. It has the leopard print on the side to match, and it's very much Cat Eye Cosmetics collection because if you're not familiar, these are my lash glues. So on these, it does have the leopard print, whereas these have the tiger stripes, but everything looks great as a collection. So then you have these. You also have the lash boxes with the mint color as well, so they look really pretty. And then of course the black applicators. I do have a white glue. It's the same packaging as this, except it's white instead of black. But I wanted everything to flow together, so that's why everything has cat names. My lashes have cat breed names. The packaging has the cheetah print or the leopard print, and then also the tiger stripes. I wanted everything to be very on brand. I absolutely love what I've created. I think it's so fun. It's so different. It's so funky. It's so me. I love the mint, and y'all know I'm a sucker for some leopard print. But here we go with the honesty hour. So when you order a lipstick, obviously this is what you're going to be ordering, but they're going to show up in this packaging. I'll just be honest with you. My vendor packed these tight for shipping. They are packaged very, very tight. I know, so when you get it, I know I'm telling you, I'm hoping I make you aware of it. The easiest way to get it out is to open both sides and to push, or just rip the packaging. Honestly, if it was me, I'm just ripping the packaging, opening up the lipstick. But if you don't want to rip the packaging, it's easiest to open both ends and push your finger through. But I am well aware that they are packed very, very, very tight, and that's so they don't get damaged in shipping. But it doesn't make for the easiest way to get the lipstick out, and that's why I want to be honest. I want to put y'all on the radar and let y'all know that it's packaged very tight, so it should get to you safe, sound, without scratches and everything on it. I put a lot of my heart and soul. Obviously, it takes a lot of time to create something like this. I've been working on it since before the masks were ever a thing, but regardless, I hope that you'll still support me and that you'll still love this as much as I do. Now, with that said, let's move on to announcement number 2. I feel like this is just so aesthetic. Even like, is that matching? I feel like it's very on brand, but okay. So moving on to announcement number 2. So I am so excited to be sharing with y'all. I'm also pretty nervous. I think my husband's kind of on the same page as me, and I think that y'all are hopefully gonna be excited for us. But we both have sat down and talked, and we have mutually agreed that we are going to adopt again. So we are going to be going tomorrow. So today is Sunday, November 22nd. I should really get this together. This is like super informal, but today is Sunday. So tomorrow on Monday, we are actually going to be driving up to Oklahoma, and we are going to be going to meet another Pommy, and hopefully it's going to be a good fit for her and for us, and hopefully we are going to be adopting her. She is a rescue from a breeder. She is 4 years old, so I'm super excited to meet her. I know my husband is as well, but obviously we're both a little bit nervous just because of this is not going to be the 50,000th video that I've cried on, but we're obviously a little bit nervous because of everything with Bubba, because you can't replace Bubba. Bubba's not replaceable. But my husband and I talked, and we both have like the unconditional love to take another pet into our home and adopt them, especially around the holidays. A pet deserves a great home that's loving, and we have the resources and the time to do so, and obviously plenty of love. So we have decided that we are going to be adopting another Pommy. I went and got all new stuff for the Pommy because because Bubba's stuff is Bubba's, and we didn't pick it up. Oh no, you guys. we didn't pick it up because we're not ready to do that. So Bubba stuff is still out right next to all the new doggy stuff. So Bubba stuff is still him. We're not replacing Bubba. Sorry, we are not replacing Bubba. He's not replaceable, but we want to open our home up to a new dog. So that is going to be super exciting that we are going to go do tomorrow, and hopefully everything goes as planned and everything goes very, 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 very smoothly. So I'm very excited. I am going to be filming our journey to go do that, and I am going to let you meet her. Some stuff I might not film, depending, like when we first meet her, I kind of want to just share that moment and let that be special for us. But I am going to try and get like the big picture and film that for y'all so y'all can meet her. Which now brings me in to announcement number 3. So big announcement number 3 is not only are we going to be driving up tomorrow to go adopt her, but we are also going to be adopting a second dog. So that was not, I'll be honest, I'm sorry. My lashes are probably like, girl, you're drowning us lately. But that was not the original plan. Originally, we were just gonna do one dog, but I can't help myself. I just see them and I fall in love and I just cannot. I'm like, please, all of you, come home. Like, let me take care of you. Let me love you. I fell in love with a second dog as well. So we are not going to be adopting just one Pommy. We are going to be adopting 2. Now, he is a bit younger. So oh, I forgot to tell y'all. So the other thing with her, the previous owners devocalized her. So it makes me mad. I think that is a very cruel and unusual punishment for a dog. I mean, that's a talk for another time. But anyways, so that's a little background on her. She also is not fully potty trained. And so I will be working with her to get her potty trained and everything, which is perfect because right now when I am home full time, that makes it quite a bit easier. But anyways, now on to him. So we are going to be adopting him. She's 4 and he is 1 year old. Now he is also a rescue from a breeder. He was listed as special needs and we knew that going in, and we've already talked to our vet. Our vet just knows us like this at this point. We have talked to our vet in case he does need surgery soon. We got an estimate of what we're looking at and everything. So we are hopefully emotionally, but also financially equipped to do all that. So we know what we're getting into, which I highly, 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 highly cannot say it enough that if you are going to be adopting a special needs dog, or really any dog for that matter, but specifically a special needs dog, that you look in and make sure that you have all of the proper resources to be able to take that on, which we did ahead of time. And I think that we are both comfortable with that, especially after talking with our vet on it. So he has a bad hip and knee, and he might have to have surgery on it. I don't know when. I'm not sure if he will or won't. We're just gonna have to kind of wait and see after we see him and after he sees our vet. But that was why he was listed as special needs. Obviously, I'm super excited for y'all to meet them. I'm super excited for us to meet them. I'm hoping that they are both a good fit for us as well as for them. I don't want to do anything that's going to put them or us in a bad situation. So obviously, a lot is going to be dependent on tomorrow when we go to meet them. But I've already gone shopping because I can't help myself, because I did want them to have nice new stuff. So I might have gone just a wee bit crazy at PetSmart, Petco, Walmart, and Target today, But anyways, that is my 3 big announcements. All of the lipsticks are going to be launching, and I will have them linked down below, and we are going to be adopting a new Pommy, and not 1, but 2. So that is my 3 big announcements. I hope that y'all are as excited as we are. Obviously, we're a hair bit nervous, but we're very, 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 very excited, and I'm hoping to be able to provide a wonderful new loving home to 2 dogs that may not have had the best start at life. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Press. I can never say this part. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Press that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.